So I remember back in the day in the course creation journey that once I had my course shot and edited right and it was done, I had actually no clue which are the different upload destinations of an online course. I thought that courses would only be uploaded in someone's website. And boy, was I wrong, right? So 4 years later, after generating tens of thousands of dollars from online course marketplaces, and after creating by myself more than 28 different courses, I can guarantee you that hosting your course in your website, first of all, it's one of the worst things to do if you're a complete beginner, right? And there are countless of other online course destinations to upload your course. So in this video right here, we're analyzing and I'm giving you a blueprint based exactly on the course creation level that you're in right here, right? On where you should upload your course. And I'm also going to give you a completely free strategy that I suggest to every single one of my clients that work with me on a one-on-one basis, right? This video right here is the video that I wish I had when I was starting out. So stick around and let me show you exactly where should you upload your course, right? So to start off with, the first question that you should ask yourself is, do I have an audience, right? Because if you have an audience, the online course upload destinations are completely different. And now keep in mind that with these destinations, we're optimizing and we're maximizing our profitability. So the first question is, do you have an audience? If you don't have an audience exactly like me, for example, when I was starting out in my personal online course creation journey, I had no followers, no dollars to invest in ads. My best bet and your best bet, if you don't have a loyal following, or even if you have a following, right, you can still leverage this, are online course marketplaces. Now, what are online course marketplaces? Those are platforms such as Skillshare, Udemy, SkillSuccess, right? That have students in there intrinsically, and you upload your course there, and their students consume these courses, right? And here's the thing: Skillshare, Udemy, and SkillSuccess, those are three online course marketplaces. They function in a completely different way. To give you a recap, on Udemy, yes, you upload your course on Udemy there, and people actually buy it. Now, here's the thing again. Once you upload your course on Udemy, due to the fact that Udemy, in every single sale, they get a small commission from the sale that they perform because they take care of the marketing, right? They take a small commission, and with this commission that they take, they just completely take the weight of marketing out of your shoulders. So here's the cool thing. All you need to stress about is creating the course. Once the course is uploaded on Udemy, you do not have to do any marketing. And we're going to be talking about marketing in hosting platforms. Trust me, marketing is a huge pain in the ass. And the fact that as a complete beginner with no followers and no money to invest, you can bypass this huge pain in the ass, which is marketing, is just huge. So this is what happens in Udemy. On Skillshare, for example, and on SkillSuccess, students that consume courses there, right, they pay a yearly subscription to the platform, right? So they pay a yearly subscription to the platform and have free access, if you will, to all of the different courses that are uploaded there, right? So you upload your course on Skillshare, and based on the amount of premium minutes that your course have been consumed there, you get paid accordingly. Here's the thing. The same course that can be uploaded on Udemy can be cross-uploaded on Skillshare. Why? Because completely different students consume courses on Udemy and completely different students consume courses on Skillshare. There's no student that consumes both courses on Skillshare and Udemy. And this is how from the same asset, which is one online course, we can have two income streams or three income streams if you also cross-upload it on SkillSuccess. And by the way, it's completely legal and completely free to upload and cross-upload courses in online course marketplaces, which is just extremely cool. This is actually so cool that in my personal online course creation business, I've generated tens of thousands of dollars, right, while cross-uploading my 28 different courses that I've created in these marketplaces. And now in my consulting business, I consult people just like you, beginner course creators, do the exact same thing. So leverage and find success in online course marketplaces without spending any dollars in ads, without having any followers. This is the magic, if you will, of online course marketplaces. Now, let's say that you actually have an audience, right? And it's a loyal audience. Let's say that you have an audience of more than 10,000 people. Now, even if you don't have an audience of 10,000 people, this is valuable information for you, because if you take this route of not having an audience and uploading courses in online course marketplaces, then at some point, once you become successful here, you will funnel people in your program, in your platform, in your Again, online course hosting platform. So let's say that you have an audience, or at least you've grown so much in these marketplaces that you want to migrate into an online course hosting platform. What happens then? Here's the thing. The next question you need to ask yourself is, do I also sell a program with my course, or is it just a course? For example, is it just a course, or is it a course and a group cohort? Is it just a course, or is it course and one-on-one coaching? If you don't sell a program, your best bet regarding online course hosting platforms is Kajabi and Teachable. What is the difference, you might ask, and I used to wonder, right, between online course hosting platforms and online course marketplaces? So there's a huge difference, right? Marketplaces take care of marketing. They have an intrinsic number of students and people that consume courses there. So you have like audience ready for you. Whereas in your platform, there are no people that consume courses there. You need to bring the traffic yourself, but you can tweak the prices. You can set the prices that you want, right? And you can collect their emails. You can perform email marketing. You can do more stuff, but you need to bring traffic yourself. And this is a whole other story, right? Now we're talking marketing. Now we're talking ads. Now we're talking warm outreach, cold outreach, stuff that a beginner course creator, just a normal person that wants to monetize their passion through course creation, doesn't really want to mess with. Let's say that you do that. Teachable is free. The first 10 enrollments in Teachable is free. So if you're selling a $500 course on Teachable, the first 10 courses that you will sell is free, and then you can use those $500 to just use and reinvest in your business and reinvest in ads and all that stuff. Then you get Kajabi. Kajabi is not free. It's about like $200 per month. You get more features there, so you can tweak more stuff. You can create landing pages, persuasive text, email marketing, all that stuff intrinsically in Kajabi, right? In my case, trust me, and this is what I consult every single one of my clients, I would not move into hosting my course in an online course hosting platform if I am not already generating revenue from this course, right? We're going to talk about this in just a second. So we got Teachable and Kajabi. Teachable is free for the first 10 enrollments. Kajabi is not free. It's about $200 per month if you don't have a program. If you have a program, right? So if you also have like group coaching or one-on-one coaching, right? School is your best bet. School is priced at $100 per month, right? And you can host your courses there. You can have group calls there. You can have Q&As. You can have like a community of people to talk together, right? And you can have one-on-one direct messaging on School, which is an amazing bet. Now, let me tell you the most common mistake that people do and what I personally advise my clients that pay thousands of dollars to work with me on a one-on-one basis. I'm going to give you this information for free. So stick around and listen to this. The biggest mistake that course creators do is that they create a course, they think it's amazing, right? They go ahead and they want to host it in their platform because they want to tweak their price. They want to price it at $1,000 and they're like, fine, I'm going to bring my own traffic there. It's fine. So what they do, they host the course in their platform. They pay $200 per month on Kajabi. Month number 1 rolls, they're fine. Month number 2, they've already paid $400 plus the cost of the creation of the course, and they have 0 enrollments. So what happens next? They start to stress. They're like, this is eating money away from my business. What I do here, I need to drive some sales. So then they don't perform organic marketing. They don't know how to create content to bring people to see their course. They pay a marketing agency. This marketing agency needs more money. They need more money for ads. And it's a complete disaster that leaves you with an empty wallet. So here's what I advise in my students. You take this route regardless of if you have an audience or not. You upload your courses in online course marketplaces. After you've uploaded your courses in online course marketplaces, these marketplaces right here are an amazing way to test your product because online courses are products, right? And we get reviews and enrollments in these marketplaces. We get feedback and we see which product performs best compared to the other products, right? So leave your courses there for 1 month, 1.5 months. Let's see their enrollments and you will see that some of your courses will perform better than others. You will get better results, better reviews, more enrollments than other courses in the same niche, in the same category as yours. This is when you have a golden course. I like to call this a golden course. And once you have a golden course, that if we take the data and we compare the data of this course with other historic data of your niche, right, of your category of courses, this golden course that outperforms other courses in online course marketplaces is worth being taken out of these marketplaces and uploaded in your own platform. And here's the coolest thing. as we have been leveraging marketplaces and as we've been testing your courses in these marketplaces, you will be accumulating an actual amount of people that know, like, and trust you from your online courses, an audience. They will be generating organic traffic from these marketplaces. People that, again, know, like, and trust you because they've consumed 5 hours of your content, 10 hours of your content, right? They like your courses. These are the people that we will funnel, right? We will funnel to our hosting platform, to Teachable, to Kajabi, to Skool. And in this way, ladies and gentlemen, with some of your courses, you will also generate income from these online course marketplaces, and you will both generate income from marketplaces and online course hosting platforms. You will not have any capital at risk because we're going to be generating income from marketplaces and reinvesting it to structure and give life to our hosting platforms. No followers needed, no income needed, just pure creation and pure strategic approach. This is the information, the type of information that I give to my one-on-one clients and the type of things that we implement with my team inside my program. If you think that you want to embark in this journey with me, and if you think that you need a mentor to do this, I would be happy to work with you, right? You can click the first link in the description and we can just book a 30-minute completely free consultation call to see if we could work together. All right, so thank you very much. I'm going to see you in the next video.